It is 1:55 p.m. Thursday afternoon, October 23rd, 2025. We're at Metra Western Avenue, Chicago, Illinois. We just saw a Metra Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois plant SW1500 locomotive, built in 1969 with some Metra gallery cars. And in the distance is Tower A-2, Metra A-2, one of only 5 manned towers remaining in the Chicago area. Willis Tower is in the distance. The railroad over here was the Chicago-Milwaukee St. Paul and Pacific, now Metra. Over here is the former Chicago Northwestern Railway, now the Union Pacific Railroad East Main Line with Metra trains. Again, Thursday afternoon, October 23rd, 2025, Metra Western Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, over and out.